All right, halfway house. It is Sunday, about 9 a.m. I've given up on trying to sell this 86 project with the Cummins and the Dana 60 Kingpin front and Dana 70 rear. So I'm basically gonna sell the engine, sell the axles, sell the truck separate. So y'all missed out on a smoking deal. Y'all cannot find this shit as cheap as I was selling it. So I have everything to put the grill back together. So the goal is today, I got a new fuel pump. I tried to get this thing running. Never could get it running for more than a couple seconds at a time. Fuel pump was completely smoked on it. My neighbor had a spare one. He's got a 12 valve as well. I put that on there and nothing out of that one either, which seems odd to me. But so I've got a new fuel pump. I'm gonna put that turn on today, get this thing running, and I got a buddy that wants to buy it, Willie Holden from Holden Brothers Diesel in Bernie, Texas. And I got a guy, actually he's a buddy of mine, picking up the axles. So that damn near, was the cost of the whole truck. So y'all missed out. And I think I can still get, a couple grand for this truck. So, oh well. So let's, got some fresh diesel. God damn, it shit's expensive. And let's see if we can get it running today. All right, got our fuel hooked up. New lift pump, fresh diesel. Got this little guy for my fuel shut-off solenoid. So we're gonna give her 12 volts there. And I already got it primed, as you can see. And well, you'll see. Yeah.